Transfer Object Layers is a tool from DiRoots that lets you transfer Civil 3D object layer settings in between projects and includes Excel import and export capabilities. So this tool is similar to the built-in feature in Civil 3D under the Manage tab and Import. Basically, this is taking my standards here and object layers, which are here, and all this data here is being brought over to a new drawing. So let's do that. Start a new drawing with nothing in it. So we can look in here and see that there's currently nothing in it. So we'll come up to Transfer Object Layers. So I can do this from an open file. I'll pick this webinar drawing, and I can select all these and import. After the import, we can come back over here to the drawing settings and see that all the information came over.